Art for Beginners is a weekly digital tutorial class designed to teach students of art and individuals who have interest in joining the profession. Hello, I'm Daho. As beginners of art, I will show you the basic elements of design. Elements of design are the fundamentals that form structure in any visual arts. So let's begin with the list of the elements. We have space, point, movement, line. In this lesson, we are going to learn about space, point, movement, line as part of the elements of design. Space. Space is the area we intend to make our drawing. So as far as artists want to make his drawing, he will decide the area he wants to make his drawing, and the area he chooses for his drawing is his space. So there is need for the artist to make a plan on how to work on his space. Space is divided into two. After drawing, you will have area which is positive, that is the area covered by your drawing, and the remaining area outside your drawing is what is called negative space. So one has to consider the use of space in drawing, because after drawing there should be a balance in your drawing on this space you are going to use. So space is very essential because you cannot draw on air. You have to have an area that you draw. Currently, when we have this space, we are going to take our instrument for drawing and try to work on that space. So the moment we take our pen or pencil, whatever instrument we are using to make our drawing, the moment we point to the space and we drop our pen on that space, when we take it up, we find a point there. That point is the second element of design, because it's a starting area of your drawing. As far as you drop your pen, a point will come out, and that is the beginning of drawing. So you see, we cannot do any drawing without having a point. Then the moment we have this point, we move, and this is the next element, movement. So as far as you move, we create a line. As far as you move, we create a line. So this stroke created as a result of our movement is a straight line. So whatever movement you do, depending on what you are going to draw, is going to create line, and that line can be different from this straight line. Because for example, if we go around like this, the line is going to be called curved line. It's different from this straight line. So this shows us that there are different types of lines that we are going to get when we come to make our drawing, depending on the object we are drawing. So it's very important to know the types of lines we have in drawing. Let's begin with this first one. We started straight line. When you have straight line, depending on the position of that line, it has a name. So these lines that are sliding down, they are laying down, they are called horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. Then there are lines that are standing. They are straight, but they are standing direct up. So these lines are called vertical lines. Then there are other lines that are going in sliding. Depends on whatever direction. They are called diagonal lines. Then you have other lines like curve lines. These curve lines also can be found in our drawings. So the moment you start going around, you are creating a shape. Let's say, for example, we go around and meet the beginning of the line. So you see that we form a cycle. So that is how our curve is working in our drawing. So these are curved lines. Curved lines. Then we can have zigzag. Zigzag lines are also found in our drawing. You see, for example, you want to draw a saw for cutting woods. So the blade of that is zigzag, So you'll find zigzag in that drawing. So this is zigzag. And you can have wave lines. Wave lines, you can get them when you are drawing like ocean or river water flowing. So this is wave lines. You can also get dash lines. Dash lines. You can also have dot lines. Dot lines. You can have spiral line. Spiral lines, you can get spiral line, for example, when you are drawing a notepad that is having a spiral binding, so the wire is spiral, so you get this kind of line in that kind of drawing. This is spiral lines. You can get dash dot lines. These kind of lines, you can get them in technical illustrations. Dash dot lines. So these are the main lines we have but you can have much more lines, different lines, but the essential is for you as a starter to know that there are lines and they are used in making our shapes and forms. So the moment you are drawing an object, depending on the shapes that objects have, you will get different kind of lines. So this is the essence for you as a beginner to know the types of lines we have in drawing. So these are the lines, and the next lesson we will go ahead on or to see how these lines can work to produce shapes and forms. So with this, I'll call it the end of the lesson. Goodbye. Thank you.